So, this is a birthday trip to Miami for my little brother.
Terminal
So we're
3.
leaving from Pearson.
Get my
I'm not
flight.
really gonna do a lot of
Go to
talking,
Miami.
and some of the video you're gonna notice that it's
See you
quiet
along the line.
because there's music in the background, and YouTube, copyright.
I'm praying that
So there's a
this
lot of
line
content. So hope you
is
guys
not all
enjoy it.
American
Like,
Airlines.
subscribe, share. There's a lot of us that went. There's an artist, so there's gonna be a music video being shot, and there's gonna be photo shoot as well taking place. So went to a lot of different places in Miami, Pembroke,
American Airlines.
Westland Mall.
And I'm all
Where
the way
else
at the
did we
back.
go? Myanmar. We went by the Dolphin Stadium. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like it. So like, share, subscribe. Help me to grow this channel.
Good morning and welcome aboard our flight to Miami. This is a full flight, so we do appreciate your cooperation. If you have brought on two bags, make sure that small one goes down by your feet and the larger one wheels first into the overhead bin. Once again, if you have brought on two bags, the small one down by your feet, larger one wheels first. This way we can accommodate everyone's luggage. Once you reach your row, please step inside a row to allow other passengers to board their seats. Welcome aboard.
As long as it's not dirty or okay, it's okay.
Okay, I think I can do that. I don't think I have that much. Yeah.
Nah, it would be a bill, nah.
All right, so how
Alright, call my yeah, call my yeah. Later. Call me later when I reach.
The red interior. Close the door real quick. Let me see it sit properly inside.
The man said sit properly.
Let me see.
Pumbo Clan.
The interior.
Miami 2023. The dog ready? Miami 2023.
Light man, we need you.
Alright.
Let me see the light real quick. Let me turn it down a little bit. It's too bright.
You have to catch one.
Out here I do work in Miami.
Catch one, at least a one.
Yeah, go ahead.
2023, you know what I mean? That brand new album dropping.
Get a video of them.
That brand
Yeah.
new album just dropped.
You just want to take no more.
Yo, Kelvin, fuck it.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm dead, bro. Fucking
Yeah.
Kelvin, bro.
Yeah.
Holy
The man said he wanted to take pictures.
Alright, my turn, your turn. Yeah, give me a picture.
You pitched for the fucking better, bro?
Hey, that's how you move.
Watch out.
This one's supposed
Bumbo
up
Clan.
on TikTok by a
Well,
man.
hold on, my G. Yo, I taught you well. You mean, man? Pump on me. He's a change in diaper. Pumbo
Follow you.
Clan.
The man I put him on.
You mean, man? Yeah. Yeah, it's your birthday, man. The key's in there. You can turn it on, eh?
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Keys in there, yo. You mean, man? Rub that up, man.
Startup. The Big B startup.
Yo.
The man himself.
Next pause. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I got videos too. Yo.
The night had just started.
Yeah.
Focus.
Oh, he said he was tired.
When you drop down, he's like, as soon as you drop down, he has work for you. You want to fly all over this morning, B. I'm telling you.
Yeah, birthday boy. You mean, man? All right. Sammy the dog, I call you.
Yeah,
Get it there. Yeah, Tayshawn.
have a little video.
Yeah, my broski. Go on the video, man. You mean, man? Go on the video, man. You mean, man?
Okay, the brothers. I love it. I
Yeah.
love it.
Yes, Tayshawn. Yeah, Tayshawn. Pumbo Clan.
You know who he shoots?
The dog ready?
I need some solo ones out.
Yeah. You mean, man?
Okay.
Bad little boy. Pumbo
so
Clan.
bunny.
Give him my backers then. Give him my backers turn. Whoa. Yo. Alright, go on. Baby, I'll be the light man. Who's next?
Who's sucking that?
Who's next? Tayshawn.
Tayshawn, gang.
Yeah.
Picture never take all day.
Yeah. What you mean, man? Yeah. Tayshawn. Yo. Yeah. Oh, God.
Where's the light? Put it on it. Calvin is fucking fire, fella.
I know. All right.
You who said she's a good woman?
She's a rider, yo. I saw
Yeah,
her.
Marshall seen it and said this girl's
He's against
killing
everybody.
She's
but
a
he's-
girl
What
killing
the
her
fuck
for herself
are
to
you
fight.
gonna
That's what
do?
they really wanted
I
to.
went against Cisco, against
I know. I thought she was
everybody
gonna fight him for a
It was
second.
way hard for you. And you
He's against anyone
he
who's
like,
not fucking with
Ramon,
him
you've been
in the
disrespecting
moment.
everybody,
No.
telling about real. And then you turn and say Cisco out of everybody's fucking real, the one we're defending you for, who we're fighting against for you.
Stole my money.
Well, it's like a demon is in your fucking brain. Like, open your eyes.
What the
Think.
fuck? Then we're listening to Cisco, but the fuck that Cisco said.
Everyone says to you to lose off of Cisco. It's like
He's a
lose off.
Miami. Wow.
Huh? Yeah. All right, so we're getting ready for a video shoot. This is the main actress in the video shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on my YouTube. Did I say that right? Is it called actress? Oh, lead girl. My bad, lead girl. That's the main lead girl right here. Give you guys a tour of this place as well. Double stack washer and dryer, kitchen, fridge. See if everything's on. No. People have good taste. Samsung washer and dryer. There's fucking 4 or 5 rooms here, double beds. Same thing, our room is over there. There's a backyard. There's like, it's like a sitting area right here. I like this though. There's a gentleman here enjoying his breakfast. Maybe we'll turn this on today. Nice sitting area. Pool is really warm. They're shooting a music video over there.
But it's a beautiful struggle. Knowing somebody loves you 2 times you don't deserve it, still putting no one above you. My past had me so super used to the tussle. My shorty helping me through it like she a part of the hustle. How dare they tell me that I'm back in Hollywood when I done made it through the worst, don't think I got it good. If you might date
It's cold today.
like you probably should. The ones that hate me, they don't know me, I'm misunderstood. You ever feel like
So, you can have your jet ski and everything. All right, so back to what I was doing. So there's a videographer right there. So they just told me in Miami there's a lot of pythons, those big snakes that just covers your body and squeeze you to death. And then there's a lot of iguanas. I saw about 2 or 3 yesterday. They live in these trees. They're so big too and ugly. And a lot of people have jet skis. Like there's a jet ski right there in the red. A lot of jet skis in Miami. So they're shooting a music video out here. This pool is so warm. But today is kind of cold though. Got a barbecue pit. I'm gonna light this up tonight. We should turn this on tonight, eh? Yeah.
Maybe get some burgers or something on the road, some steak, and just put it on the grill. Yeah, put it on the grill.
Season up some chicken and
Yeah, put it on the grill. I like that hammock there.
yeah, but it's probably wet.
Yeah.
You pick it up. No, look it up, girl.
Yeah, man, so. Oh, there's a phone right there in this white thing.
Oh, yo, King. Yo, King.
I'll call him.
Finance isn't a bad word here at cost. We have payment options for everyone. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Shop great deals across the
Yeah, so. I found your phone. It's in that white bin right there.
Oh, there's how you find it?
I just walked by inside. Yeah. There's a man right there. Shooting the videos. There's my little sister, my little brother, Tayshawn. You guys saw him, ladies, he's available. We saw him in the videos yesterday. This is a nice room. I was thinking we can go to the Nike outlet today.
I think we should go in the stores over there. Just look for
Yeah, you know. Plus, I gotta go to the machine because I only have like
some dessert.
$60 left. So I have to get some cash.
Yeah, those shoes, you need to get those shoes.
Yeah, but here's the joke though. We'll see better prices at the Nike outlet,
Oh, that's true.
and we're gonna get more option. I've been googling it. So the guy says once we finish the video, we'll grab some food,
Okay.
and then we just hit the outlet. Yeah, I wanna buy some stuff too. I don't wanna come to Miami and then buy nothing. That's crazy.
Better style for less.
And Miami style is all like summer colors,
And it's
like
real, the nice new shit.
yeah, you know what I mean. Plus I'm supposed to go to Jamaica in January, so you know.
Oh yeah, so then you have it.
Yeah. All right, so there's a front door right here. Let me show you guys the front of it. There's the front. Yeah. Yeah. It rained last night. This place is nice.
Fancy.
Yeah.
Isn't this supposed to be Miami? Why is it cold?
Right? But you know what? They have winter. December, January, February, it's cold in Jamaica as well. Like I wear jackets at nighttime. Yeah, when I'm in Jamaica,
I was just there. Remember, I came from there.
it's not cold at nighttime? Well, probably where you are. No, during the day is warm. I'm saying nighttime.
Nighttime too. I went out in the
Really?
nighttime, it's cold. I mean, it's hot.
Oh, nighttime? Boy, another bar in there. LeBron's. I don't really know what to get. These are kind of different.
I don't know if somebody put it in Vino or in time.
$250 and they lowered it to $299. Oh. I don't really see nothing for me to go crazy over. That's the thing. I don't want to just buy for the sake of buying. And those days are done. No more buy just for the sake of buying. The store is huge. Yeah. I'm gonna go to our next mall right now. It worked. But you know what I did? I called the bank before I came though. And I told them. That's why I say, oh, TD is the best, yo. Yeah, TD is the best. I don't really. Miami, Port of Miami. Port of Miami. Where's them Shavonia?
Be kind.
Share your money.
Be very grateful of life.
Good.
And God will bless you.
Tell them where they can find you. In the arms of Jesus.
Can't find me, man. Don't.
Fluff. Their apostle's still in business.
Down here.
I know. Their apostles from like 5 years ago. Their apostle and Polo. We're back in the mall. Tayshawn, today's your day. Tell them what you're getting today.
Getting these fire blue and white dunks, man.
Woo.
Got a nice little fit for it too when I get home.
I know, and I got my stuff. Gonna wear them fresh out of the box today. Oh man. I know. You're gonna wait till you get to Canada to wear them.
Yeah.
Taking it. There's these shorts I wanted to get, but I don't see the color.
Can't find this stuff.
No, you're not gonna get these. Ooh, they fit nice. I'll show you the shorts I'm talking about. But I don't see the color though. I think I'm gonna buy these ones. Do you have? Yeah. So I wanted these shorts, but there was like another color when we were here yesterday. It's like a aqua color kind of. It almost looks like kind of like this color. Yeah. So it was black, but it had like that type of accent. I saw one of them, and now it's gone. I came to buy it. Yeah, I was here yesterday. It was here yesterday for the same price, $55, regular price. We were here yesterday, and I'm like, the same spot. It's the exact same shorts as that, just a different color. Yeah, all right, sure. Yeah, there's only one. Yeah. For $109 to play ball in? Yeah, dude. These are 20s. I'm gonna buy these. Dude, don't put your foot in my shoes. They fit nice. Yeah, you're gonna have to break them in a little bit, yeah. But these are, I got them big though. Price is right.
The fours are nice too.
You know that those get wet with water, you're done, eh? It's gonna have watermarks. Yeah, because of the material.
So I'm guessing the 10 is just not good.
No, because I'm gonna play ball in it, right? It's gonna be too
Let me
big.
put this one back.
So how much would it be with tax altogether, one on then?
Yeah, how much would it be?
Like 111, 112 maybe?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Shouldn't be that much.
See, it's less than 13%, dude.
$30 plus for tax, bro.
In Canada, yeah, that was like $40. Dude, Canada, like Toronto's crazy, yeah. Boy's gonna get these. Bro, we're going to court in these. They're not ready for me when we go back to the gym, man. They're not ready for me when I go back to the gym. I was gonna buy some Air Force, but say, oh fuck it. All right, I'm gonna take these ones.
Okay.
Let me see if I should take anything else. Huh?
You want to try them on? The Air Force that you bought?
Air Force? Nah, you want me to spend all my money, eh? You was like the fadeaway. That was a shot that you couldn't block.
He was like the.
Was that the original bad boy? NBA hated him, you know? That's why they blacklisted him.
He's like how the stretch bigs. He's like the first.
Yeah, the
stretch big,
first one that could
one of
do
the stretch
everything.
bigs, yeah, because
Yeah,
him and
shoot,
Dirk and all them.
play
bro.
defense.
Exactly.
All right, I'm gonna take these ones. Yo, these feel comfortable. Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
That's on you.
Yeah, I could even wear them out right now, eh?
Good.
Yeah, bro.
Very nice.
I'm gonna take these ones too. These ones, right?
Weird vibes.
Yeah.
What?
Let me see these ones. When are we gonna meet your boyfriend?
You're gonna meet him when the time is right.
For us,
He's been around for a while. Why you hiding him so much? You're spending this kind of money on him, dude. He must be special. Why you hiding him, girl? Talk to the camera.
I'm not hiding.
Are we not gonna approve? Does he have a criminal record? Yeah, get them.
What's wrong with this kid?
Get them for mommy. Stephanie, look what's coming for you. Woo.
I hope they fit.
It's
her.
open.
They're not
She has
too
it.
big,
She's
right?
in there.
There's
She
10
has
women.
it. He's in the car.
Okay, as long as they fit her. All right. She's gonna be so happy, bro.
Yeah, these are nice.
I can get you another pair.
Where's all my shoes?
Your shoes are not locked.
Where's the locker?
Once you pay,
Oh, then they take it. Oh, they don't trust nobody here, eh? They won't even let you walk with the shoes. Shit. It's all good though.
Thank you. Let me take these. I don't know what these are right now. I'm not about to spend $3 on nobody, and it's not the shoe that they like. Like, what the hell?
Why don't you just send them a quick video just to
Yeah,
make
I
sure?
did right now.
Yeah.
Just waiting for a reply.
The dunks for you though, that's real good. Those are nice.
Yeah. The
Tayshawn got his dunks.
Red and black. Blue.
Yeah.
We'll take all bombs.
All those boxes now.
Yeah, so as long as they get the shoes, yeah. No, it's true. Usually when they come to America, we never come back with the shoes. Because we want to hide that we bought, how much we bought. We want to hide it, you know?
I'm trying to think to myself. For dad, I think
Poor
about
boy,
that.
Claude.
Wow, she's serious.
Like everybody has BBLs here.
Yeah.
They're fire.
Don't lie, I can see it. Be honest.
No, man, that's just how the material of it is.
Look, don't tell me what I see.
they got
I
it.
ain't doing. No.
Have
They're
you-
on there. I'm not gonna lie.
He was definitely. I'm not dissing you. I'm not dissing you. I'm just.
So you said somebody-
We were talking about this earlier. She knows time. She knows
Yeah.
time. I didn't look at the other shoes.
Probably we should have kept the last one she brought back.
She never brought this ever.
No, she brought a different one.
No, that was the pandas. Remember that was the pandas. She never. She brought
No,
the
we
first
sent her
one
back
first.
with these ones, remember?
No, it was the other one. The threes. Was that threes?
No, she brought these ones and we sent her back again.
it's a size 9,
No, this is
right?
the first time she brought this one. I took the
Is
first
it?
one.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You did. Your memory's
It was
good.
the pan, yeah.
I'm getting old.
You're getting badly.
Yeah.
So
She's
she
gonna bring it, but I can start.
Okay, okay, okay. So, you know, I'm not from here. It's
Yeah,
okay.
he just gave me Zena's like email address.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
So, SH.
Or use my.
You guys are white people shit on me though.
No, that's suede, dude. You can't wipe that down. It's not a suede. $1 million.
Leave my dinner out.
I can't do any more for you,
Leave
baby
my dinner
girl.
out, people,
I can't do
please.
any more for you.
These are Marshall. Is he-
Come on, look how good
he's
this
so-
is. It
he's
says
so
this
limit-
good.
He's such a limit.
Where do I use the card?
Come put all of your guys' on it and make it look cute. Like, Jesus.
I put my name. Okay.
Low
Yeah.
key fat ass, but it's style cool. Wait, one more time.
Yeah.
It's so fire. What the?
I don't know still, but this is it. Look, they have everything. All the J's. Like this is
I mean,
the-
we have sneaker spots though.
Yeah, but this one is like all over Miami though. Yeah, look at that. The gold and black dunks. Look at that gold, black and white. Have you seen those before? You've never seen those dunks. Look. This one. Yeah. Yeah. It's our first time here. Her and my little bro. If they get upset, anything that comes to their mind.
Can't do that though, still.
Yeah, I told my brother, like, bro. And she has this side that we just experienced yesterday. Look, nobody's perfect, but oh, come on, man. Waffle House, waffles, grits, bacon, the big dog. Got after this. What's up? Yamaka. Bar mitzvahs. Yeah, that's like.
These are my clients though. Principal?
Yeah.
I work for that pretty much.
Everybody works for them, bro. Everybody works for them. Yeah. Did it work? All right. Dunkin' Donuts, my first time here. Yeah, because look how big the food is. This is a large. Wow. Medium.
When I walked back, we left the young one.
Yeah. You hear like the tone when you're talking. It's like, oh, sorry, man.
I wouldn't do that to somebody. I wouldn't do that to her. I wouldn't do that to somebody.
If you did that there, they probably would have killed you, bro. I would have thrown a tantrum. Somewhere, like, I'm going nowhere with these people. I'm not going nowhere, yeah.
That's disrespectful.
4 hours. From 11 we were here. Look at the time.
You go to the airport.
No, but even an hour ago, I said, I would have made the best of the condo we have. Sitting in the parking lot, come on now. You better go.
Well, I'm not.
In the car.
In
the car.
7 o'clock, start! Because if the roles were reversed,
Miami. The big place. Hmm?